Today we're checking out this brand new travel backpack from Sandmarc. And in today's video, we're gonna take a look at the materials and specs, and then we're gonna pack it up for a long weekend trip. And we're gonna weigh this thing to make sure we're under that 7 kilogram limit. If this video looks a little different today, that's because I'm shooting it on Sandmarc's 1.55 Anamorphic lens, which looks really, really great. Also, it's just so nice out here today in Chicago. What a good day to be testing out a bag. Sandmarc is a California-based brand known for their mobile photography lenses and accessories. Last year, they expanded their offerings by adding some bags to their lineup, including the travel backpack that we're checking out today. Affiliate link in the description if you want to support Sandmarc as well as this channel. The travel backpack is really unique in that it is made to bridge a gap that Sandmarc saw in the market. As they say, travel bags aren't built for creators and camera bags aren't built for travel. So they came up with their own that would work for everyone. And I think this one is going to work great for budget airline travel as well, especially if you do want to bring along some of those smaller tech accessories. The travel backpack comes in at 51 centimeters by 36 centimeters by 15 centimeters for a total capacity of 25 liters. The bag can also be expanded out to 30.5 liters if you need a little extra space in that main compartment. The bag is a little bit on the heavier side at 1.4 kilograms due to the materials and the build of the bag. It's made with 840D ballistic nylon and accented with weather-resistant tarpaulin. The bag features YKK zippers and aluminum hardware for a premium feel, and it comes in just one colorway, the black you see here. This bag's gonna run you $250 US. So before we pack this up, let's check out the bag in a little more detail because there are some little pockets that you won't find on other travel bags. All right, so let's take a closer look at this bag. In the front, you're gonna have these three pretty large compartments, along with some mesh pockets up here in the top, a little spot on the side over here. This middle pocket is gonna be pretty large. Gonna go all the way down to the bottom there. And then, bottom pocket, smaller little, kind of semi-padded pocket down here too. On the sides, you're gonna have handles, pretty nice, big, robust handles. One on the top, one on the other side, so 3 handles. You also have these to tighten everything up when you're done. These are really interesting. They kind of just hook on there and then slide up. On the sides here, you have the water bottle pockets, which expand a little bit. These actually unzip here, because underneath that, this little zipper here is actually where you're going to expand the bag if you need to. So if you do need to expand the bag, what you first do is unzip the water bottle pockets, and then you go underneath them through the back here, which is really interesting. That's how you're gonna get that additional 5 liters. While we're on the bottom of the bag, actually, right here too, there's a little kind of secret pocket. What that has here is some straps down here. These are elastic. What these do is create a space where you can put like a tripod, a yoga mat, something down here if you want to carry it on the bottom of the bag. It's really nice because when you unlatch these, you don't want to use them, just kind of slip them in this little spot. Just zip that up, hide them away. All right, other than that, let's take a look at the back now. Back here, you're gonna have some really nice, robust shoulder straps. It's actually really, really nice. They kind of remind me of like some Air or Able Carry, some really wide, nice straps. Over here, you have a spot where you can put your cell phone if you want to shoot outward, like while you're walking around, kind of like that POV video right there. Still have the really nice aluminum hardware everywhere. Got a nice sternum strap. This is the same as the other one where it slides up and down, which is a unique kind of sternum strap compared to other ones we see. And then opening this up, back here, really nicely padded back panel. Also really nice luggage pass through right here. And then right here on the bottom, you can actually take your straps if you want to carry in like a briefcase mode. You can put your straps right in here. kind of lock them like that if you just want to carry like a briefcase. So other than that, we got this large back area. You're gonna have spots for an iPad and for a computer. This is really nice. It goes basically just down to here. So you have a ton of space if you do drop your bag. It's pretty nice to have that extra padding on the bottom. Got a couple pockets down here on the bottom for chargers, large mesh pocket for anything. And then up here at the top, this is really unique. This is where you have your little pockets for like your lenses. So say you buy a bunch of Sandmarc lenses, you can pop those in here. As you'll see when I pack this out, I put like a DJI Action 4 in here, works really well. Wireless mic you can put in here. So you put a number of things in here if you are doing that kind of like smaller or mobile photography and videography. And then lastly, we have this really large main pocket here. That kind of almost zips the whole way. It has a little space at the bottom, so it's not completely full clamshell, but it has a really nice big space in here. And this bag's really structured. As you can see, it's kind of like hard on the outside, so it's very, very structured. It can stand on its own really, really well, which is nice. Kind of whatever you put in it, it stands really, really well on its own. And then in here, you just have a bunch of mesh pockets, one on the bottom, one on the top, and 3 little ones right here. And that's pretty much it. The Sandmarc travel bag. So now let's see what we can fit inside. And I'm going to pack realistically for a 3-day weekend trip while being cognizant of that 7-kilogram limit. And as you know, everybody packs differently, so be sure to envision what you're going to bring along as I pack this thing out. So now it's time to weigh this thing and see how we did. There we go. It's a successful pack under 7 kilograms. So what do you think of this bag from Sandmarc? Would you use this for a trip when you're trying to stay under that 7 kilogram limit? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what I've been listening to this week.